Advantages and disadvantages of a partnership. Partnership, 2/more people carrying on a business together with a view to making profit. Interest on drawing and capital. Advantages of interest on capital. To the partners, reward the partners for their investment in the business. To the partnership, encourage partners to invest in the business, not elsewhere. Advantages of interest on drawings. To the partners, reduce the drawings. To the partnership, deter partners from drawing cash out of the business, causing cash flow problems. Partnership agreement. Partnership agreement, an agreement, usually in writing, setting out the terms of a formal partnership. Partnership Act 1890, the rules which govern a partnership in the absence of a formal partnership agreement. All partners are entitled to contribute equally to the capital of the partnership. Partners are not entitled to interest on the capital they have contributed. Partners are not entitled to salaries. Partners are not to be charged interest on their drawings. Partners will share profits and losses equally. Partners are entitled to interest at 5% per annum in loans they make to the partnership. Why should partners have written agreement? Avoidance of disputes. 1. The deed usually states management responsibilities. 1. Agreed limits on drawings and agreed amounts of fixed capital. 1. Ensure partners are properly rewarded/penalized for their contributions. 1. The deed may include rewards for partners who have undertaken more management responsibilities/provided more capital/ and penalized partners whose drawings have been the most. 1.